thought I'd make another video here right quick and show you what I got going on. We got the fuselage covered, got the poly brush put on it, and after I shrunk the fabric, got to thinking, it's like looking at the plane, I just wasn't real happy with it. So, sorry, my mind's so wishy-washy right now, and I'm so scatterbrained trying to, I really feel like I'm about to puke and about to throw up, but anyways, just watch the video and we'll see how it goes. Thank you. Alright guys, hope I didn't bore you out too much with the time-lapse video. What the problem was, the stringers, these old metal stringers right here, my granddaddy bought the Cub in '68, so we've had it for a little over 50 years. So whoever had it before him had changed out these stringers, and these three here on the top, and put these little, they're kind of V-shaped type stringers on here, and over the years they've just gotten real weak, and they just bowed in real. I mean, they're strong, but tightening up the fabric at 250 to 275 degrees like I did, it just it bowed them in way too much. So I just wasn't happy with it, and I wasn't about to put no tape, pinking tape, pink tape on it or whatever, because then with the tape on there, the lines would not be straight. If you look down it or up, up the stringer or whatever, because of it having these dips in it right here in between each one of these vertical pieces right here, and it would have just had, like a roller coaster. The top one is all right. It's still good shape. It's real strong. It don't really take a lot of pressure, as far as trying to bow it in, as what these do right here on the sides. And because your fabric coming up here and whatever. So, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put wooden ones back on, kind of like they were from the factory. And what I got to do is I got to put down like a fire retardant blanket on the bottom down here to keep anything, because these are brazed on with brass rods. So I got to take my torch and heat these they're like little clamps. Have to heat them up and then open them up and then pop these old stringers right here off. And looks like I got to make one right here and braze it back on. I think that was the only one that was missing one. And then up here at the top, heat this up right here, and then this is a 1/4 inch U-channel, or maybe a 1/2 inch, but you know, just spread it apart, and then the wooden stringer slides up inside of it. And so anyways, down here on the bottom longeron, I'll put some pictures in after the video here. But this one right here was bowed up real bad too, and like I said, I started out at 250 degrees, and then I went to 275 because 250 was still kind of loose like, and so I just bumped the iron up to 275 and had it calibrated and everything with my laser temperature gun thing, and you know, and it just, you know, pulled it up and sucked these in too bad. And you know, it's about a $500, you know, backup, but you know, it's worth it for me to go ahead and tear it down now and fix the problem before I get the plane completely finished, painted, flying, and then I'll be sick at my stomach the rest of my life knowing that I done a crappy job and didn't have, you know, my line straight. It's kind of like restoring an antique car, any car, you know, taking a car apart and putting it back together. Your door jams, your window jams, and you know, your lines on the hood. You know, you got to line all them lines up and get them just dead straight and look right. You know, and same way with this. I mean, this will win some awards, I can promise you, whenever I get done with it. You know, and take it down to Sun and Fun and Oshkosh and stuff, you know, down the road. But you know, and that's things there that judges look at, you know, like car judges. They looking for the lines to be straight and dead on, and you know, this here, they look for the, you know, what's supposed to be straight, and they, you know, they look for stuff like that, you know, your tape, how neat of a job there your tape is laid on, and you know, just little stuff like that. But anyways, I know the video's getting long, so my mouth's getting dry. I gotta grab me some water. But anyways, be sure to give the video a thumbs up. I know you probably don't like it as much as I don't like it because I had to rip everything here off. I mean, yeah, but you know, look on the bright side, it's going to be done. I should have done this to begin with, but what I had done, I had came in here and I bowed every one of these out, just like all the longerons on the bottom. I bowed them all out and had every one of them bowed out, you know, so whenever the fabric does shrink, then it should pull them back straight. But no, it pulled it on in further, you know. Just because this old stuff is just old, I guess. I don't know. I mean, it's just, you know, who knows. But anyways, it's going to be done right, and that's why we're tearing it down. So anyways, see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.